Okay. At the beginning, we are tied here, and let's go into make a big circle here. This one here. Is folded like this way. Here. And then let's go continue to tight. Okay, so here is make it the Q like this. The O first we are make a circle, oval shape circle here. Then let's tight here. Thank you, my friends. So this is the piece of the letter Q that we are made. Then here we will tie it here. And let's go bend it to the up. Yeah, to up here. So it's this way. Then let's go into make the little Q. We are go fold it, bend it to the back, and tight. Here. And we are go fold it the smaller fold like this. Here. Fold here. This, then here we tight at this part. Okay, tight here. Fold it. Okay, so this is the little Q and the big Q. Hi, Kate F. Hello, Yoni. Hello, Rondia. Hi, Mary Lucia. Happy to see you, everyone.